quick overview of the frame drawing. I'm going to point out the writing, pictorial writing in the imagery, which is in the two allegorical sea monsters. So it says weird here, written upside down, capital W, E-I-R-D, GOP, Grand Old Party, Republicans, Trump, and Ku Klux Klan, race hate, exclamation, blech, exclamation. And lots of little allegorical sea monsters all around. In memory of Denise McNair, one of the 4 girls murdered by Christian Ku Klux Klan terrorists, the bombing they did of a church in Birmingham, Alabama, September 15th, 1963. She was only 11 years of age. 3 other girls were also murdered. All right, there you have it. September 6th, 2024.